Finding quality business leads is one of the hardest and most consuming tasks. But if you could pull real, verified business leads directly from Google Maps with complete details in just seconds, today I'm going to show you a powerful tool named Google Maps Lead Extractor by TheSoftCo, your new shortcut to getting phone numbers, website reviews, ratings, and so much more instantly. In simple words, this tool lets you search any business category in any city or any country, and it extracts real business data the same way Google Maps shows it. You will get business name, phone number, WhatsApp number, email, website, full address, ratings, reviews, and much more, depending on the listing. Let me show you how it works. Simply go to your browser and search the TheSoftCo Google Maps Leads Extractor. Press enter and you can see the first result available here. Google Maps Leads Extractor Business Leads Scraper and Finder. Click on it. Here you will see the Google Maps Leads Extractor. Extract business leads from Google Maps instantly. Let me search any business here. Hotels in New York. I have found 20 businesses available here. As you can see, my search history available here. Also, I can save my search for later use. Let me see how it works. Click on save. And as you can see, my search is saved here. Now scroll down. Click on advanced filters. As you can see here, I can see my advanced filters. Only businesses with no website. Only businesses with phone number. Only low reviews, less than 4 stars. Also, you can see favorites filter here. What is meant by favorites? I will explain. But as you can see, the Google Maps listing available here. You can see business name, business reviews, business address, business number, and business website here. You can individually copy the phone number, website, copy address, and copy all the given information available here. If you want to open this business in the Google Maps to check more information, you can. How? Click on the Open in Maps. And as you can see, I have found the business here. For example, I am a website developer and I want the businesses that don't have their website. So I offer web development service to them. Let me show how can I do this using this tool. In the advanced filters, you can see only businesses with no website here. Click on it. And as you can see, I have 2 businesses here that don't have their websites. I can select them manually or by clicking on the select all button. Then you can see export selected here, Google Sheets, and generate emails button here. If you want to extract the selected data, you can click here. Let me show what they can do actually. After clicking on the export selected button, the whole data exported. As you can see here. Now I want to generate them in my Google Sheets. Click on the Google Sheets button. Now Google Sheets here. Follow the guidelines, copy data, and open Google Sheets. On the Windows, click Ctrl+V on your keyboard, or on the Mac OS, click on Command+V button. And as you can see, the data is exported successfully. Now I want to generate emails for these businesses. Let me explain how this can be happen using our tool. Just click on the Generate Emails button. As you can see, 2 businesses are selected here. Fill this form. Now as you can see, I have filled the information here. This is a temporary subject. Now in the template style, you will see the 4 options: professional introduction, casual outreach, partnership proposal, service offers. In this tutorial, I will use service offer. Generate template for 2 businesses. And as you can see, I have generated 2 emails. And copy all the emails using copy all template button. Now for example, I will use these businesses in the future. So I can save them in the favorites tab. But where is favorites? Nothing here. As you can see, here is the favorites tab. You can store your favorites businesses here. But don't worry, after reloading the page, your recent searches and your saved searches are available. Also your favorite is available. Let me check it. Now as you can see, my search history and my saved searches and my favorites are still saved. You can export all data by clicking on the select all button, and here you can click on the export to CSV button. As you can see, my data is exported. Also, you can export to it in Excel. The amazing thing of the tool is that we have built the comment and support section available on the tool page. Whether you are facing an issue, have a question, or want a new feature, just drop your comment and don't forget to rate our tool. It helps us motivate us to build more tools like this.